My name's Rebecca Paediatric. I'm a paediatric trainee doctor. I'm ST7. I'm working in the Oxford Deanery and currently at the John Radcliffe Hospital. So I found your courses on the internet and I've been looking for a paediatric ultrasound course for a while. There aren't actually a huge amount out there, so it's really nice to find a course that's dedicated just to paediatrics, given that it's my specialty. And I feel that ultrasound is very much something that's quite new to paediatrics in general. So the general clinicians that are on the shop floor are doing more and more of it. So I felt that it was really useful for my career. For me today, the most useful so far was the scanning of the tummy and the lungs. And that's because it's not something that's taught very much in our curriculum at all. And I feel it's very useful. We were discussing earlier that actually in children, being able to do some form of imaging while the child's still on the mum's lap is really helpful, and you don't get that with x-rays or CTs and that kind of thing. And it's just really useful if you're able to do it. You can just go to the bedside, do the test, you get an answer there and then that can help with your decision making. And so I found that doing the chest and the abdomen was useful because it's just not part of our curriculum usually. So I think actually, because it's quite new that doctors at the bedside are doing lots of ultrasounds in children now, I think it's useful for all levels really. So there's for anyone that's involved in children, so paediatricians, paediatric A&E in particular, I think is really helpful for. The more junior members of staff, I think it's now more up and coming in their roles. And actually for the senior staff, I think it's something that they would need to catch up on, because actually we're using it more and more and finding it more and more useful. So actually overall, I think it's useful for anyone involved with children really. So yes, I would definitely recommend this course, absolutely for any doctors or healthcare professionals involved with children.